Having the appropriate equipment accessories is crucial for accurate and effective data gathering during surveys. There are a number of merchants in Uttam Nagar, Delhi, that focus on offering survey instrument accessories to industry experts. These vendors work hard to satisfy their clients' needs because they recognize the value of dependable, high-quality accessories. Scon Design is one such retailer in Uttam Nagar. They have developed a solid reputation in the area as a supplier of survey instrument accessories. They provide a wide selection of items to meet the various requirements of surveyors and engineers. Scon Design is probably to have what you require, whether you're looking for tripods, prisms, GPS equipment, or other accessories. Scon Design stands apart from other dealers thanks to their dedication to client satisfaction. They are aware that every client has different demands, and they work hard to cater to them by offering individualized service. Customers may always count on their skilled staff for assistance in making the best accessory choices for their surveying tasks. They also make sure that their items are of the best quality and provide competitive prices. Surveyors in Uttam Nagar can rest easy knowing that they have access to dependable and long-lasting survey equipment accessories by selecting a reputable dealer like Scon Design. When gathering data in the field, this can significantly increase their accuracy and efficiency. Surveyors can ensure that their measures are accurate and consistent with the correct equipment, producing more trustworthy results. In conclusion, Uttam Nagar's dealers in survey instrument accessories are essential in assisting surveying experts in their work. One such retailer, Scon Design, provides a broad selection of premium accessories to fulfill the unique requirements of surveyors and engineers. For precise and effective data collection during surveys, having the appropriate instrument accessories is crucial. There are various merchants who focus on offering survey instrument accessories to industry professionals in Uttam Nagar, Delhi. These merchants work hard to satisfy the demands of their consumers and recognize the value of dependable, high-quality accessories. In Uttam Nagar, Scon Design is one such retailer. They have made a name for themselves as a reliable regional supplier of survey instrument accessories. They meet the different needs of surveyors and engineers by offering a wide selection of products. Scon Design is likely to have the accessories you require, whether you're looking for tripods, prisms, GPS gear, or other items. Scon Design's dedication to client satisfaction sets them apart from other dealers. They attempt to offer individualized service to fulfill each client's expectations because they are aware that every consumer has different wants. Customers may always count on their skilled personnel to help them choose the appropriate accessories for their surveying tasks. They also guarantee the greatest level of quality for their items and provide competitive prices. Surveyors in Uttam Nagar can choose a reputable vendor, such as Scon Design, and feel secure knowing that they have access to dependable and long-lasting survey equipment accessories. This can significantly increase their effectiveness and accuracy when gathering data on the ground.